volume in Adobe Premiere Pro free tutorial. Let's say you want to adjust the volume of this video clip. And you want to make it sound quieter. We're just going to add a cut by clicking C and then V to deselect. Click or highlight your audio clip. There's a couple different ways you can do so. Click on Effect Controls. If you do not have this, go to Window and click Effect Controls. Underneath Level, you make sure that this is selected and highlighted, and right here where it says dB, you can click and type in a -5 or decibel value. Or if you want as well, you can click and just drag this to the right according to your choice, -20. Or if you want, basically if you want to adjust the volume gain, you can do the same exact thing, clicking on your audio piece, click and add 5 decibels. Last but not least, if you want to fade this in or fade out, click right here, and now it adds a keyframe. And let's say this part of the video, we want this to be -20. Go to the beginning of the clip, 0. Click on level, make sure that this is selected, make this -20, and then go back to the part of the clip you would like to fade. And let's say 5. Completely for free.